name is Amy Vishwanatha, and today I'm going to connect my PlayStation controller with my gaming laptop. So what we need to do first is make sure both of them have Bluetooth on. What I will do with my laptop is I will bring up Bluetooth and other devices. If you do not have that on, you can go down to the search bar and you can type Bluetooth in or Bluetooth and other devices, but that will bring up what you're looking for, and you just click on Bluetooth and other devices, which will bring you to this page. The first thing you do when you're here is you go to Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. If it's not turned on, make sure you click on the button so it will turn on. Next, we need to make sure the controller is in pairing mode as well. So what we do is at the same time, we will press the logo button and the create button. We will hold them for 3 seconds. Once you hold them for 3 seconds, it will start blinking, and that means it's in pairing mode. Once you do that, we'll go back to the laptop or your PC and we'll click in the same menu, Bluetooth and other devices. There is a button that has a plus on it. It says add Bluetooth or other device. We'll click on that. Then once you're in there, the top one says Bluetooth in the menu, the top line. And so you're gonna click on Bluetooth. So now it's searching for your controller. As you see immediately, my controller came up. Click on that, it'll say connecting. Now the device is ready to go. So it's as simple as that. It just took a couple of minutes to get these two paired. Next, we are going to open a game and see how this plays. Now, I would like to mention that I am playing a game from Twitch. When you play with Twitch, your controller automatically sets up to the proper settings. You do not have to go in and configure it. If you play with Steam or something else like that, then you have to configure the controller manually, each button and everything like that. My husband had to do that earlier and it seemed like it was a bit time consuming. So right now, let me open a game and we will get started playing that. Let me just click done on that. So let's open Metal Slug 2. Now we have that open. Just let it load. Okay, now let's figure out what start button is. Okay, so the square is the start button. Let's select the mode. Okay. Arcade mode, okay. 1 player. And I will play with Marco, I guess. He seems to be the first dude. Okay. I'm gonna play with the D-pad because that's my favorite thing, but I will try the thumbsticks as well. Oops. Okay. It looks like the lower L button, L2, is pause. And, okay. So R2 is to resume. L2, pause. R2, resume. Let's go. Wait, okay. I'm shooting with the square. Woohoo! Okay, up. Okay. I guess it makes sense to use the thumbstick if I have to do that. I have to change really fast, so the thumbstick makes it easier. Oh, dude, I'm gonna get you. Yeah, gotcha. So, okay, I'm trying to talk and play at the same time. Okay. Oh, okay, I just hit a bunch of buttons. No, I don't want to quit. Sorry, guys. Okay. Ooh, it's a pretty violent game. What do I do now? Okay. So, I will say this is so comfortable to play. And my thumb has not started bothering me yet. And normally, by now, it would have started. So, the way I'm holding this, my thumb and the part below my thumb, sorry, I'm talking at the same time, are actually resting properly and it's not bothering me. So I believe it works well with the PC. And it also works well with an Android phone. I'll link that video below so you can see how I did that. But I'm also going to be trying to pair with a Switch, and so I can, whoops, so I can play, whoopsie, okay, I died. Okay, so I'm going to be playing, let me pause it here. So I have, as I said, already connected to an Android phone, and that was pretty simple, pretty easy setup. I played the game and I actually controlled the phone with that as well. And I played on an Xbox platform with that. That was really cool. That showed me that it can be set up as an Xbox controller as well. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try with Switch. So I will also link that below. Once that is uploaded, I'll put that in the description. So if you have any comments or any questions or any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below and I will try to answer any questions you have. If you like what you've watched today, please hit like and subscribe. And also if you hit the little bell icon, you'll be notified as soon as any other content is uploaded. And that is all for today. I hope you're enjoying these videos. And as always, have a playtastic evening. Actually, before I go, I just want to say one more thing. The ergonomics on this controller are excellent. My thumb doesn't even feel, I don't feel like it's going to go to sleep at all right now. Normally, with a couple minutes of play, it's already started to go to sleep. So this is great. I really appreciate this, and I do hope I can hook it up to Switch, because one of the reasons I haven't played Zelda recently is because my hands just have so many problems and it's uncomfortable to play. So if this works with Switch, I'm going to be playing Zelda more. Breath of the Wild.